Hello everyone. If you have ever decided to have a macaw, be sure you're prepared that they're gonna destroy everything. They have the whole world to fly around. They sit in front of the door to get the new cabin, to destroy the new cabin. They destroy the old cabin, not livable for me anymore. And Mr. Nemo is here. Sorry, Mrs. Nemo. And rest of the gang. That's El Safifi and Chickpea fighting. And I don't know if you can see there. Oh. That's Houdini. Very windy today. The rain is stopped and it's gonna start in another an hour or so. Go for a fly. You're not gonna get in. No. No. You're not gonna get in. Go for a fly. You destructive, lazy bunny. Come on. Right. I think that's for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.